Hi, in this video I will brief you about the importance of the power analyzer. So here in this setup, we have our road load simulation dyno that is developed by Decibels Lab. So we also have our test vehicles that has been developed by Decibels Lab. And in this setup, we have the power analyzer that is provided by Hayoki, which is a Japanese brand very well known for the quality of measurements. We have the complete setup and infrastructure where we can really conduct various type of experiments and collect data. The importance of collecting data via the power analyzer is about the accuracy of measurements which you get from the measurements of phase currents, phase voltages, or the DC bus current and DC bus voltages. And also you have an opportunity to get the data from the torque sensor and an RPM sensor. Henceforth, when you collect the data completely over all the different conditions, you could put that in a recording mode and then analyze the data to see with respect to different drive cycles, different the patterns of loading conditions, how does your motor controller holds up its efficiency patterns. Or if you have made any changes at the algorithm level or calibration level, you can really precisely measure data, and with the help of measure data, it gives you very insightful information in terms of the impact of the changes that you have modified in the motor controller as well. Apart from that, absolutely the importance of power analyzer is to measure the efficiency of various different systems. So you have a DC current that is coming from the battery, you have a motor controller that can do a switching and give you a phase voltages and phase currents. So you can measure by comparing those two data, what is the efficiency of the motor controller. And also if you measure the electrical current going to the motor and the mechanical power that is coming out of the motor to the wheels, so you can compare the motor efficiency as well. So it gives you a complete system level efficiency. This power analyzer has 8 channels, so if you're also able to plug in other channels to a DC current measurement that is coming from the charger, which is AC and the DC as well, you can measure the efficiency of a charging system. So in that way, you are measuring the charging system efficiency, the efficiency at the motor controller and also a motor, which gives you a comprehensive understanding of the complete system that is operating at its different efficiency points. Apart from it, if you want to measure any transient responses of the system, so you can easily do that with the data that you're trying to get through the power analyzer. And if you want to perform any compliance tests, that is to us IEC standards or any specific automotive regulatory standards, you can also utilize a power analyzer and perform it. So in an overall way, the power analyzer gives you a confidence to see through what is happening inside the vehicle and also inside any of the tuning parameter that you're trying to put into the vehicle at its outcome when you try to put it on dyno and then run the drive load conditions. So as a part of it, so let's just quickly get a weave through the idea. So we have a dyno, so we have hooked up our current sensors here, which is the phase current sensors and also the DC bus current sensors. And then we are able to get the data through these parameters, and that helps us to analyze and record the data as well. So that's a pretty brief idea and understanding of what is the function of a power analyzer. And if you use a power analyzer, you could get more insightful information of the test vehicle and test information. And by that way, you can make your calibration, make your decisions more precisely and more accurately. Thank you.